Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the gallery and the app that performs auto backups. This is the action, not a settings lecture. Once you're in, tap the menu or the small gear to reach sync controls. Make sure you know which service is doing the backups, Google Photos, iCloud, or OneDrive, because the next steps differ slightly by provider. If you see a backup and sync toggle, you're in the right place. Keep that screen visible while you proceed. You now turn off the auto backup feature directly. Tap the backup and sync toggle to disable uploads, or open account settings and remove or sign out of the backup account. Once done, make sure cellular uploads are disabled. Set backups to Wi-Fi only or off entirely, so photos won't reupload later. If the app shows separate folders, deselect them. If it asks to keep device copies, choose yes. This prevents future automatic imports into your gallery. Finish by deleting the backed up copies from the cloud and cleaning the local gallery. In the Backup app, use Manage Storage or Delete Device Copies to remove cloud items. Confirm you really want them gone. Then return to your gallery, remove duplicates, and empty the trash or recycle bin. Note many services hold items for 30 days. If deletion fails, sign out and back in, check network, and ensure you have permission to delete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.